At the most fundamental level, our behavior is shaped by our ancestors. Genetic traits honed over countless generations to help us survive. Every choice was a gamble with mortality. In the face of immediate danger, survival demanded quick, automatic, instinctive responses, reacting without a second thought. For longer-term threats, it required careful planning, abstraction, and rational thinking to anticipate risks, weigh outcomes, and secure a safer future. This dual drive, handling the urgent now while strategizing for what's ahead, still lingers deep in our psyche today. But here's the twist. These ancient mechanisms are ripe for exploitation. Marketers, politicians, and propagandists know how to trigger our instincts, bypassing rational scrutiny to spark impulsive actions that serve their agendas. To really grasp this, let's dive into the best model we have: dual process theory. This framework divides our cognition and decision-making into two parallel systems. System 1 is all about the intuitive, the urgent, the emotionally charged. It's fast and automatic, handling things like instant pattern recognition or habitual responses. System 2, on the other hand, handles the deliberative, controlled, and rational stuff. It's slower, but more thoughtful, stepping in when effortful focus is needed. You can see this in action during the Stroop Test, where two System 1 processes clash head-on. Let's do a little experiment. Pay close attention. I will flash a series of colors on the screen. All you have to do is name them as quickly as you can. Now I'll flash the word of each color. Again, name them as fast as you can. Now things are about to get interesting. For the next task, as fast as you can, say the color of the text. Do not read the word. The automatic urge to read the word, a deeply ingrained habit, conflicts with the automatic tendency to identify the ink color, another quick perceptual shortcut. This internal tug-of-war creates confusion, slowing you down and causing errors, until System 2 is elicited to mediate, overriding the distraction by deliberately focusing attention on the color naming task and suppressing the irrelevant reading impulse. It's a clear example of how System 1's rapid parallel operations can sometimes trip over each other, requiring System 2's intervention to resolve the conflict and restore clarity. This mediation dynamic mirrors broader survival scenarios. In moments of sheer terror, we are all the same. Our primitive brain takes over, deciding whether to fight, flee, or freeze. When we perceive a threat, a flood of neurotransmitters unleashes physiological changes to prep our body for action. Our heart rate skyrockets, blood pressure surges to fuel our muscles, pupils dilate for better vision, and breathing ramps up. Under acute stress, the brain shifts gears. System 1 dominates entirely, shoving System 2 aside to prioritize quick, heuristic-based decisions over slow, careful analysis. Think about it. Deliberating pros, cons, contingencies, and ethics while a predator lunges? Impossible. Evolution wired this override for pure survival, letting System 1's mental shortcuts enable snap judgments without the need for mediation. But those same heuristics also open the door to manipulation, hijacking our instincts, steering us toward decisions we'd never make under calm reflection. Yet, understanding this duality isn't just about spotting the traps, it's about empowerment. In future videos, we'll uncover strategies to harness System 1's automatic processes to our advantage, to influence others.